Did you know China has quietly built a massive network of satellites that's changing the world? Let's break it down. First up, there's Beidou, a 35-satellite system that rivals GPS, offering pinpoint global navigation for everything from your phone to military operations. Then you have the Gophin series, which are like powerful eyes in the sky. Since 2013, they've been capturing super higher resolution images for disaster relief, farming, and environmental monitoring, for keeping in touch with astronauts on the Tiangong space station. The Tianlian relay satellites provide a constant communication link. And what's next? The Hongyan constellation, a plan for over 300 satellites to deliver global high-speed internet, much like Starlink. These incredible systems are boosting China's capabilities in science and commerce, and are paving the way for future missions to the Moon and Mars. Did you know China's private space industry is absolutely booming? Over the past 10 years, it's gone from almost nothing to a major player on the global stage. As of 2025, there are more than 300 private space companies in China. You've probably heard of SpaceX, but what about names like iSpace, Landspace, or SET? These are some of China's pioneering firms, and they're doing incredible things, like building their own orbital rockets, launching constellations of small satellites, and even developing reusable rocket technology. Since 2018, these commercial rockets have successfully launched over 60 times, putting satellites into orbit for everything from global communications to Earth observation. It's not just a few small startups either. The government is actively supporting them with funding, favorable policies, and access to launch sites. This synergy is supercharging innovation and making China a serious competitor in the new space race. Did you know China's space program is powered by a family of rockets called the Long March? It all started back in 1970 with a simple launcher. Fast forward to 1996, and we get the Long March 3B, a workhorse that launched countless satellites, including the Beidou navigation system. But China didn't stop there. In 2016, the mighty Long March 5 arrived, powerful enough to send the Chang'e missions to the Moon and the Tianwen-1 probe to Mars. Then came the Long March 5B in 2020, designed specifically to build the Tiangong space station. What's next? Get ready for the Long March 9th, a super heavy rocket planned for the late 2020s, which will take Chinese astronauts to the Moon and maybe even further. From small beginnings to aiming for the stars, the Long March series is truly a story of incredible ambition and progress. Have you ever heard of Chang'e, the Chinese goddess of the moon? Well, China's lunar exploration program is named right after her, and it's making some serious waves in space. Let's take a quick trip through this incredible journey. It all started back in 2007 with Chang'e-1, which mapped the entire lunar surface. Then, in 2013, Chang'e-3 pulled off a soft landing and let loose the U2 rover to explore. But the real showstopper was in 2018, when Chang'e 24 did what no one had ever done before. It landed on the far side of the moon. Its rover, U22, is still exploring over there today. Just 2 years later, Chang'e 5 brought back the first moon samples in over 40 years. And the mission's not over. Future missions are planned to collect samples from the far side, explore the South Pole, and even test tech for a lunar base. China is truly opening up a new era of moon exploration.